So first thing we're going to do is set up a grid, and we'll do a 2x2 grid or a 4 grid. So on your paper, just draw a line going across the middle. It doesn't matter if your paper is vertical or horizontal, and then find the center. So I'm just using a regular size paper, but any size is fine. And then you're going to draw a circle pretty much as large as you can, leaving about 1 centimeter on either side. And then you draw the circle. And I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. That's too much. Okay, so you have the entire paper. All right. And then instead of drawing like a full rotation, we're just going to draw part of a circle, an arc, and just make sure it touches the initial circle that we drew. And we do that on the right and the left, and we keep the same radius. Just like that. And then we want to get the bisector, so we have to place the point of our compass where the arc and the circle intersect. And you may need to resize your compass, so you may have to change the radius so that your arc crosses. So I'm just going to resize my compass here, and then I'll resize it back to the original radius. So where the arc and the circle intersect, we draw another intersecting arc on the top and the bottom. Okay, and then we use that to draw a line, perpendicular line, and then that gives us the line that we need here going through the center, just like that. And then we are going to resize our compass back to the original radius. And then place the point of our compass where our line and circle intersect, and then just complete here. And again, we don't need the full rotation, we just need a partial rotation just to keep things neat as we work. Just like that. And now we're going to draw the diagonal lines through those intersecting points. And we're going to draw a square to contain it. By connecting the corners. All right, and so now we see our 4 quadrants, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we're going to draw a dynamic square inside to find the center of our 4 quadrants. Just like that. And now we're going to connect the centers of each quadrant vertically and horizontally. So we're going to line this point and this point. And draw a vertical line on either side and a horizontal line. Okay, and now in each of our quadrants we're going to draw a circle, so we'll just get that radius. So this is the radius that we need, and we'll draw a circle in each one, and you may have to do some micro adjustments if it's not perfect, which mine isn't. Here it's not quite perfect. You do that in each one. If it's not quite perfect, it's okay. The design will cover up those flaws there. Okay, excuse my hand. And now we'll just work in one quadrant, and then when you repeat it, you can just repeat it the same one over and over. Let's zoom in on one quadrant here, so it doesn't really matter which one. I've got the top right one. So